Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix there is a billing problem with a family member purchased previous. Ask the family organizer to update their billing information. So guys, if you are facing this problem while downloading or updating your apps, then how can you fix it? So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings and you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and after that you have to make sure that there's no connected VPN on your device, and after that tap on your profile. From here tap on sign in and security and wait some seconds, and from here guys you have to just simply change password from here, and after that go back and tap on payment and shipping, and again wait some seconds, and after that you have to remove your payment method from here, and after that again go back and sign out your Apple ID and restart your device for one time, and again sign in your Apple ID, and after that tap on media and purchases, tap on view account, and again wait some seconds. Now from here guys you have to just simply tap on country or region, so guys tap on change country or region, and from here select your country, tap on agree, and from here guys you have to just simply give your information here, your number, and after that select your payment method from here none, and after that add your billing address here, enter your postcode, city postcode, and after that enter your mobile number, and after that tap on next and save the information, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you have to just simply contact to the Apple support team and they will try to fix your problem very easily. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.